I'm Joseph Gonzalez. So for me, peace is a profound state of inner harmony and balance, where the mind and heart are aligned in an absence of calm and contentment. Peace is not the absence of conflict or difficulties, but the presence of resilience and understanding. So as I experienced before, when there's a group activities with my blockmates, most of my group are active and smart, but there's one of my group mates who did not participate. So our leader say some rude words to that person, but our teacher still manage it in a peaceful way, which is she educates us a proper manner, and she tells us about the consequences if we still stay on that kind of attitude. So peace is necessary in a globalized world because there are issues that affect various countries such as political tensions, economic inequality, and climate change. A culture of peace is fostered cooperation, empathy, and respect for variety, allowing civilizations to constructively confront common problems. Without this perspective, the division and strife can intensify dispute and cause further instability on a worldwide scale.